system. Come on, how you in Louisiana? I'm gonna try to get transported to that's the first boat going out into the canal. And our guy Kopak is navigating another boat. All these little islands out there, it's probably underwater doing Katrina. So the rabbits is in a mass. They found places to survive, and they bred, and now they are rabbit havens. My truck, and just to buckle up, I'm heading to a place called Purnell, Missouri. Pick up some dogs. I'm rolling by myself this morning because my P got apartments, so the bigger man on the road by itself is still dark, y'all. But we finna go get some hounds, man. 2 hounds I bought from a friend of mine in Purnell, Missouri. So I've already prayed and asked for safe passage this morning, so I should be good to go. It's about a 3 hours and 30-minute drive. So I'll keep touching bases with y'all along the way, let you know how I'm doing, okay? All right then. All right, we're gonna put this camera on charge for a while. All right. The bigger man, making good time. I'm almost right at an hour away from my rendezvous area, my pickup point, where I will pick up 2 dogs and head back to Little Farm Beagle. Probably be passing through Topeka this time. I came a different way, back way. Caught a lot of back roads and stuff, and slowed me down a little bit, but I'm still pretty much on time. Going to a place called Purnell, Missouri. Purnell, Missouri. And I'll be meeting up with Mr. Rick. He's the owner of Little Red Kennel. A very distinguished bugler. A lot of field champions in his hounds and stuff. Got a good setup and everything. So hey, you know, I'll let y'all see what it look like when I get there. You know, I've been up here about 3 or 4 times already getting dogs. This is where my line started at, with some of his hounds. Apollo, Bella, which is in Kevin Pack, and a lot of other famous dogs that I got from him, I bought from him. And, you know, they all turn out to be really great hounds, so, you know, he put out some good stuff, so I'm going to pick up a few more of his line and you know, see if I can take it to another level. So, y'all stay with me. Alright? We're in beautiful Missouri right now. They crossed out of Kansas into Missouri. And we're making good time. So I'll get back with y'all in a few. Alright. Bigger man is almost at his destination. I'm about to arrive at Mr. Purnell's Rick's place. Should be right down the road here. And we're gonna pick up some dogs. I've been back here before, and I remember right. Should be right over that hill there. This is Purnell, Missouri. So let's see what's over this hill. Taking me to now?
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
I don't remember this road. Boy, I'd hate to have to come out of here on a wet day. Just go to show you, man. Sometime just ain't like they is. This ain't right. I can tell you that right now. This is not right.
You have arrived.
Yeah, you wrong. You're so wrong. All right, GPS. You put me in the wrong spot. It's a good thing I know where I'm at. You go a little further over that hill there. I don't know why you did that. Arrive where? See, sometime you gotta watch them old GPS, man. Gotta watch them. I knew this road was new. I ain't never been on this road before. So she gonna bring me up in here. Nah, well, I knew better. I knew better. Let's see if we can get it right. We close. Yeah, we close. Close don't get it. You have arrived at your destination. Look like there ain't been a car on this road just here. They just put this road in. So let's see what went wrong. That's his place over to the left there. That's where his place should be. I'm hoping I'm right. Been a while since I've been down here, but I remember right. turn it off in here, ever. You know, sometimes GPS, instead of just giving me bullshit, you need to shut up. You just gave me bullshit. I think Mr. Staley place is up here on the left somewhere. I've been there before, several times. Right there. Right there. That's his place right there. I knew you was giving me BS. I knew it. You're at your destination. No, I'm not. I am now. Little Red Kennel. See that beagle right there? Little Red Kennel. Little Red Kennel. Rick Staley. That's the man with the plan right here. I've been here many times. So you gonna just chill. That's rich. Got all these cows, man. Look at him. Look at him. Boy, them boys love that beef, I tell you. They love that beef. Got solar power. Solar power. Rich, man. Hello, Mr. Rich. Man, how you doing, man?
Doing good. Good to see you.
Looking good there, huh?
Yeah.
You're working hard, huh?
All right, both of them were wormed July 6, 2023, and 9-way shot October the 1st, 2023.
All right.
The white one has had a rabies shot.
Okay.
The older female.
Oh, okay.
And here's the registration papers. That's the young one,
Okay.
and that's the female.
All right then.
There you go.
All right, I got everything I need. You
bet.
you already signed the back, right?
Yep. Judy has, my wife has.
Yeah. Let me get my jacket. Every time I come down here, I'm cold, man. Every time. Yeah, I got a kennel out there in Kansas, Clay County, Kansas.
Yeah.
Little foam beagle. Got about 16 or 17 hounds, but
Yeah.
I'm always shopping for some more product.
Yeah.
So,
Yep, I understand that.
you know, you got to keep that line going, man, you know?
Yep, that's her in that white on there.
Okay, in the middle?
Well, on that side.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna pick her up. We're gonna take her.
Yeah. And that's a full litter mate to her right there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. That's Alan's dog. That's my boy's dog. He travels a lot with the racing network. He's an announcer for the Power I series sprint cars.
Is that right?
Yep, he travels all over the country. So.
All right. Boy, he's a beauty. What's his name?
This one,
Yeah.
Duke. He's getting old. He's about 10 years old.
Oh, okay. You know we stuff online, YouTube. But where my pup at? The male.
Do what now?
Where the other pup at? The male.
Right there's one
That's
of
the
them.
one. That's the one.
Yep.
And that one over there.
Nope, no males up there. All females.
No, I'm talking about the two I'm getting.
Oh, 2 females.
Two females. Yeah, 2 females. Okay,
Yep.
2 females.
Right here's the other one.
Yeah. Okay.
Right there. That one right there.
Okay. 2 females. Okay, I wasn't sure whether it was a male or female, but that's okay.
Yep, female.
Yeah.
And she's starting something.
Okay. And who's she off of?
Same cross. Them are little mates. All four
All of them are little mate.
Yeah. Matter of fact, all 5 of them. There's another one right there.
Okay. Oh, she's a beauty too.
He's
a beauty.
Yep.
And they off of
Sport. And that female you're getting.
Okay. And Sports is the chief dog.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Yep. All right. Now we got it straight.
Yep.
Now we got it straight. You know, I sold Chief to that guy in North Carolina.
Yeah.
A friend of mine, hunting friend of mine, and a year later I tried to buy him back. And he had already sold him to somebody else. But it's just God sent, because I've been trying to get Chief Line back.
This is it right here.
And so I got it back.
Yeah.
But you know, the line I have right now, everything came off Apollo.
Really?
You know the black dog you sold me?
Yep.
When I picked him up, you told me this dog here could probably be a field champion.
Yeah.
Everything came off of him. My whole line is off of him.
He is nice.
Yeah, my whole line is off of him, man. And I tell you, you know,
he had a good build too. He was built good.
Built good.
Yeah.
He's strong. But his nose, nose is so powerful. I got a two pups off him. I've been breeding beagles just like you for a long time, and I have never had 7 pups in a litter, and all of them started just like that and turned out to be super dogs.
That's what you're shooting for. The more you breed them, the better they get. You want less duds in a bunch, or less average dogs in the bunch.
All of them were super dogs.
That's what I tell everybody. Mine, all of them are run pups. Some of them are just better than others.
Some are better than others. Their nose is not created equal, but Apollo, he can work a check line. So, I mean, I bought a dog out of Illinois, and he's in my line in pack called Buckshot, and he's a real good dog.
Yep.
But a lot of them, you know, when they get to the check and stuff, I put a time on them and stuff, because I hunt all over. I hunt Louisiana, Texarkana, everywhere.
Yeah.
And I tell you what, them dogs you sold me, they ain't Mississippi now.
Yeah.
They ain't Alabama now. They ain't Louisiana now. They ain't Texarkana now. Yeah. And all of them is bred off Apollo.
They were good dogs.
They was good dog. Apollo and Bella. Bella still, the last time me and Kevin came down here, that female you sold him, she had 5 litters. And we still got her. She's still hunting good and everything. She just had her last litter. That's the last time we're going to breed her. And that's when she had that white pup. So let me get these jokers loaded up, because I know you're a busy man. And I'm going to get on back down the road and everything. And well, I'll take this one. If you grab that other one, I'll be okay.
Yeah, let me grab the
get your collar off her.
There we go.
Yeah, boy, because you going somewhere else. You going.
I call her Sheba.
Sheba, you going.
Her name on the paper is Bathsheba.
Okay, Bathsheba. Sheba. All right, Sheba. Let's go, Sheba. Let's get you in the box. Oh, come on, girl. Get up in there. Get up in there.
This is a good-looking dog here.
Oh, yeah.
A little heavy.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm going to knock that off him.
Oh, yeah.
I got a running pen. I got about 30 acres.
Yep. That'll take it off of him.
I'll just let him run. I got so many rabbits.
Good deal.
You know, I'm in Kansas, man. We don't have no shortage of rabbits.
No, and that's a good thing.
Yeah. I put them on the ground, let them run all day.
Yep, and that's what they need.
All night.
Yep, that's what makes good dogs.
Yes, sir. I don't baby them. I'm glad I contacted you and everything, and I'm like, man,
that'll work.
Let me go get these dogs.
Alrighty.
I ain't got no time to be messing around and getting close to the hunting season. I got a few trips planned.
Yep. Now the white ones had a lot of rabbits shot over her. So.
Oh yeah, but the little one probably didn't.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
Me and my grandson went the other day, which he's 19 now.
Yeah.
We went the other day. He skunked me. He killed 5. I didn't even get a shot. It seemed like every rabbit run right over every day.
Well, you know what that is, huh? That's good training. You trained him good, man.
Oh, he thought that great beat no grandpa.
You trained him good. Hell, shit. That's what he's supposed to do. You've been disappointed if he didn't kill some rabbits.
Yeah.
How many you got?
Too many.
Too many?
Not counting the one that ain't mine. 1, 2, 3. I think 10.
Yeah.
10 total.
Okay.
And that's about the only reason you're getting them twos. I've got too many.
I hear you. I'm the same way. As a matter of fact, I just sold 2 dogs. I sold 2 dogs last week.
Yeah.
To a guy in.
And the price you're getting these, you can turn them over anytime.
You always give me a good price.
You bet.
I appreciate that.
I'm not out to screw it. Don't forget your cameras in there.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That's why I jumped on it. I'm like, I ain't letting nothing sit like that.
And you'll like them. I mean, they're good.
Yeah, you know, cause me, I like to keep my
bloodline going.
I like to keep
different
it going.
Ones.
And the reason why, I wasn't looking for no dog from nobody else.
Yeah.
But I know when you call and say you got 2 beagles, I know what I'm getting.
Yeah. Yeah, you do. You know exactly what you get.
I know what I'm getting.
That's what Richard Fritz out of Kansas City said. He said one thing about me. He said, you know what his dogs are. You know.
I tell guys all the time. Kevin told me I got 16. That rabbit is right there. Squatting. Right there. Yeah, there you go. Look at that little jip, man. Look at that little jip. She's a winner. She's a winner. Okay, look at that little bitch, man. She's a sure winner. Right where he was. Smoking this, bro. She's a sure winner. Luck ain't ready yet. It took his mom a long time to start too. Once she got rolling, Peaches is his mom. Once she got rolling though, she was a hot mama. He'll get it when he get ready. Right now, he just hitting and going. Hitting and going. Right now, Patrick got the show. Red Bull. the rabbit. Here come the rabbit. Yes, we are in the rabbit pen. I tell you, Patsy putting on the show this morning, boy. Putting on the show. Get down, Lucky. Putting on the show. All right, y'all. Alright, I got some work to do. Get on in there and do it. You better get on out there and hunt with the rest of them siblings. Sitting there barking at me. I ain't no rabbit. Use that mouth for something good. Go find that rabbit. There you go. There you go. Ain't no messing around. Get all out there, sister. Come on out there. Now you in there. I'm trying to get transported to the that's the first boat going out into the canal. And the guy, our guy Kopak was navigating another boat. All these little islands out there was probably underwater doing Katrina. So the rabbits was in a mass. They found places to survive and they bred, and now they are rabbit havens.